Wow.
Oh no, I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon.
I think it's very good, like, for experience, but yeah, it's kind of funny. Like, the baby's faces actually move as well, so it's very realistic, you know. I think it's very, like, hands-on as well, so like you get to, like, say, like, draw, like, put in, like, needles in, like, fake arms and stuff, and like do sutures and stuff, so like you get, like, a really good, like, clinical experience as well.
Couldn't see myself doing anything else. Really, it's just a dream of mine, and hopefully I'll get to pursue that. It's really, really good to have the opportunity to do this to start off.
This building is designed around education, really, and teaching students health science, medicine, physio and pharmacy is very complex these days. It's become increasingly complex with the move to day case procedures, where patients come into hospital, they're treated on a day case basis and they're gone. So this building was designed to augment and plug that gap that the modern medicine has created, essentially by the patient being treated more and more in the home setting. It's as important for those students who decide that healthcare is the right career for those or for themselves, or perhaps that really they've looked at it now and really realised that it's perhaps not what they should be doing, and that's equally as important. So it's really important that we get the right students into these programs, and equally for those students who decide not to pursue healthcare, well then they can go off and pursue another program that might fulfil them better.
Nice.